Have you ever dreamed of studying at Harvard, one of the world's most prestigious universities? Picture walking through those hallowed halls, engaging with brilliant minds, and being part of an illustrious legacy that spans centuries. Harvard is more than just an institution. It's a dream, a goal, and a pinnacle of academic achievement. The prestige and allure are indeed captivating, but how does one get there? Well, the path to Harvard might be challenging, but it's certainly not impossible. Here's how you can do it. First, it's crucial to understand what Harvard looks for in its applicants. Harvard's admission team seeks out individuals who exemplify academic excellence, a trait often reflected through high grades and challenging course loads. But it's not just about the grades. They're equally interested in candidates who show a strong commitment to extracurricular activities, demonstrating initiative and leadership. Lastly, personal qualities like resilience, curiosity, and integrity play a pivotal role. Early preparation in all these areas can significantly enhance your application. Now let's move on to the specifics of the application process. The application process is your chance to showcase your potential to Harvard. It begins with the common application, your first opportunity to stand out. Essays, often feared, are your chance to tell your story in your own voice. Don't forget letters of recommendation. They provide a third-party perspective on your strengths. Interviews, though daunting, allow you to humanize your application and demonstrate your passion. Remember, authenticity and preparation are key. Once your application is submitted, there's one more crucial step to take. The final step in your journey to Harvard is the interview. This key phase requires clear communication, boosted by your confidence and thorough preparation. Remember, being yourself is paramount. And there you have it, a clear path to achieving your dream of studying at Harvard. So, to recap the main points, understanding Harvard's requirements, navigating the application process, and acing the interview are crucial steps to entering those prestigious halls. Dream big, work hard, and who knows, you might just find yourself walking through Harvard's historic gates as a student.